Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we would be covering the topics like marketing ethics, marketing myopia, green economy and green marketing. Fine, let us define marketing ethics. Ethics are collection of principles of right conduct and their usage while making decisions of the company. Then practicing ethics in marketing means deliberately applying standards of fairness or moral rights and wrongs to marketing decision making, behavior of the company, and the practice which we adopt in the organization. We have seen in the recent times the compulsion of growth and profit had pushed all corporates to turn a blind eye to the issues of morality. And in ethical marketing is basically it's less of marketing strategy and more of philosophy that informs all marketing efforts. Marketing ethics also seeks to promote honesty, fairness, and responsibility in all the advertising aspects of the marketing campaign. And it is to be seen that any ethical marketing effort will begin with a careful analysis of the company, its customers, and the markets which it is operating. Now, let us see some of the principles of marketing ethics. All marketing communications which we share to the media or to the public or to the in general society that should share the common standard of truth, and all marketing professionals abide by the highest standard of personal ethics. Then advertising is clearly distinguished from the news and the entertainment content of it. Then consumers should be treated fairly based on the nature of the product and nature of the consumer. Say for example, if you are marketing something to the children, then you need to limit your contents, restrict certain contents to it. So these are some of the principles of marketing ethics. And another set of principles are, you need to keep the privacy of the consumer. That should never be compromised. And marketers must comply with regulations, the standards established by the local government and the professional organizations. There should not be any deviations from the rules set by the government. And ethics should be discussed openly and honestly during all marketing decisions. Fine, there could be certain ethical problems in the marketing. They are grouping the market audiences, ethics in advertising and promotion, delivery channels, deceptive marketing policies and ethics, anti competitive practices, pricing ethics. Now, let us go to the topic marketing myopia. Marketing myopia is a simple, it is a short sighted and inward looking approach. It focuses mainly on fulfillment of immediate needs of the company rather than looking for providing value to the customers. So it is not customer centric, it is more of a company centric. The moment that situation comes, it means we can consider that there is a marketing myopia striking that company. Fine. And when a company considers short term goals as more important than long term goals, then also it is classified under marketing myopia strike company. And such companies they focus more on selling rather than building customer relationships. How can you avoid marketing myopia? It can be avoided through filtering every strategic initiative and company program through the screen of the customers it is seeking to service. It means it is more asking you to be customer centric. In the past, some of the customer companies which have marketing myopia, which have come under marketing myopia and lost the business. One is Kodak, which lost its market share to Sony cameras. It's a long back, about 30 years back. And Nokia lost its market share to Android and iOS phones because they could not change their practice and they did not care for what customer wants. They just started producing what they could, and they could, eventually they lost the market share. Now let us get into the third topic, green economy. Green economy is defined as economy that aims or works on reducing environmental risk and ecological scarcities. Whatever we do by for conserving the nature, they all come under green economy. Green economy aims for sustainable development without degrading the environment. It's very clear. And the 6 pillars of green economy are the environment, climate change, safe operation, people, ethics and transparency, and innovation and technology. See, these are all the pillars based on which the green economy is going to produce changes and conserving and helping to conserve the nature. See, green economy can also be thought as an alternate vision for growth and development of an organization. And it is seen that green economy promotes triple bottom line. They are sustaining and advancing economic, environmental and social well-being. These are the three things which one could gain by adopting green economy. So green economy, as the name suggests, it's a clean, environmentally friendly economy that promotes health, wealth and well-being without consuming more of natural resources. And green economy also addresses the problems like the climate change, ozone depletion and tropical deforestation. And green economy is mainly deployed or referred to following 6 main sectors of an industry. They are renewable energy, green building, sustainable transport, water management, waste management and land management. And all the ecological issues today is one of the most concerned topics. We all need to be very cautious in usage of natural resources. Eco-marketing or green marketing is playing significant role in the industry. Green marketing recognizes the fact that marketing actions of the firm has an impact on the usage of natural resources, generation of waste and subsequent pollution. So all these points are categorized under green marketing. So what are the meanings and objectives of green marketing? Green marketing is the marketing of environmentally friendly products and services. And it is an integration of ecosystem in the marketing decisions which creates basically the win-win situation to the firm which is producing the product or offering the service, to the customer and also to the ecosystem. All the three are getting benefited by adopting green marketing. And green marketing elements are product modifications, process modifications, and sustainable packaging. These are all some of the actions which a company can take towards green marketing. And the importance of green marketing is green products are designed to reduce energy consumption, as I said, by making alterations in the product design and process re-engineering. So now they tend to reduce your energy consumption, use less natural resources, raise the recycled materials, that is usage of recycled materials, and reduce or eliminate toxic substances which are harmful to both environment and human health. So now this implies the importance of green marketing. The focus of green marketing is on the satisfaction of customers' needs and wants with no or minimum harm to the natural environment. That is to be underlined. You are meeting all requirements of the customer with no or minimum harm to the natural environment. Then how green products will be helping the environment? We have seen it. The processes are designed in such a way that there is a less water pollution and air pollution, and usage of more recycling products, and less impact on the climate change and the ozone depletion. That is the result of going for a green marketing. And some of the examples which we have seen, like in many of the hotels, they tend to use more and more herbal toiletries. You must have seen. And if you see in Delhi, they have made it very compulsory for the usage of CNG automobiles. And recently, we all have come across a situation of the abandoning usage of plastic bags. And if you see all the architects and interior designers today, they are designing and going towards more and more green buildings with natural light, more of natural light. And these are some of the examples of green marketing, are the products which comes under green marketing. Thank you, gentlemen. I am sure the contents of this video are helpful to you. I request you to kindly press the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more news, more videos. Thank you very much.